Welcome to the UAE Gratuity Calculator 2025 tutorial. This free and user-friendly tool makes it easy for anyone to calculate their end-of-service benefits in just a few simple steps. First, enter your basic wage in AED. Remember, this should be only your basic salary as per your contract, excluding allowances. Next, select your wage type, monthly, weekly, or daily. The calculator will automatically convert everything correctly for you. If you are a part-time worker, check the part-time box and enter the percentage of full-time hours you work. The calculator will apply the correct prorating. Now, enter your employment start date and end date. These dates are important because they determine your total service period. Then, select your contract type, limited or unlimited, and choose the reason for leaving, such as resignation or termination. If your start date is before February 2nd, 2022, the calculator will automatically apply the legacy rules. Finally, enter any unpaid absence days, if applicable. The tool will exclude those days from your service length. Once all fields are filled, click on Calculate Gratuity. The calculator instantly shows your accurate payout based on UAE labor law. If you want to start again, simply click Reset Form. This gratuity calculator is free, easy to use, and designed to give you full clarity on your end-of-service benefits. Our calculator is one of the most complete in the UAE. It covers part-time work, unpaid leave, legacy contracts, and resignation rules that most other tools miss. Try it today, and share it with your colleagues to help them forecast their benefits too.